Hello friends, in this Facebook ads course, we will learn about how to set up and manage your business settings. Friends, we taught you how to create a Meta Business Suite account and an Ads Manager account as well. Now we also need to discuss the important settings in it. Business settings play a crucial role and are essential when it comes to running the Meta ads and at the same time, Facebook ads effectively. Today we will give a complete overview of it. We will also describe to you what features are inside it because it will be very useful for you. Now, as you can see on my screen here, my MetaSuite business account is open on the screen, right? If we need to refer to the business settings, what should we do? We need to click on all tools and then on the ad manager for the account I created. I hope you have watched the previous videos of this course. If not, please watch them. You should not miss a single video, otherwise you will miss the continuity and the connection and then you won't be able to understand things properly. I hope that you have taken the time to watch all the previous videos that are part of this course. If you don't want to miss future videos, please subscribe to the channel. We have entered the Ads Manager account as you can see here on the screen. Here we will proceed to move to this option below. As you can see these three lines, there is an option of all tools here. When you move to the all tools, you will see we have the option of business settings. We clicked directly on business settings. As we clicked on the business settings, you will see users and accounts on the left hand side. And data sources, brand safety, registrations. There are many types of settings we have. So today we are going to talk about these so that you are aware about them. And also you will get dedicated videos on the important settings for your reference to learn from them so that you can learn it practically as well. Here in the users option, you can see people. People means right now Hitesh Gupta has the complete control. Given that Hitesh Gupta does not have sufficient time, he intends to delegate this task to one of the company's employees or some other agency. Okay, so now what will he do? He will proceed to invite the selected individual by entering their email ID into the system and adding them to the platform and will grant the person the access to manage his ads. So in the option of people, we can give access to manage ads to a person. We will teach you practically how to do all this. Don't worry about it. This is just an overview video. The option of partners. In the partners, we can give someone access to our page so that they can manage it on our behalf. And within the system users, we can have complete control over our Facebook account so that it can be managed completely. Okay friends, so we did all these things here. I hope you understood. We are in accounts. As we go into the accounts, we are now on the pages. Pages. Right now we have a page connected here as you can see with the name of MF Digital Agency. Now if I want to add clients page, I currently have multiple pages, all of which are already linked to my account. If I need to add an additional page, I can add that from here. If one needs to request its customer because we have a digital marketing agency and we run ads in India and outside India for multiple clients, so I can request the page from here, and if I want to create a new page, I can do it from here. But the suggestion is that if you want to create a new page, do it from Facebook. So this is it. Click on add account. Now coming to the ad account friends. We already have an ad account by default here on this section. The option to create multiple ad accounts here is not available yet. But if I need to request an account for someone else, for any client, then I can request and get access to that from here. Creating a new ad account or creating multiple ad accounts will be explained when these tutorials about how to create ad accounts or create ad pages are brought to you. Then I will teach you practically from our other account. I am teaching on new account because you can learn things in a totally fresh way. But if you want to go deeper, we will cover them in our upcoming videos. I will teach you practically from our old accounts. We will not leave anything out. We will teach you well. So it's done. What do business assets groups mean? This is at a higher level. For example, if you are freelancing at an individual level, normally working for one or two clients, so it's not applicable there. But if you are working in a large group or agency or have multiple clients and there are many assets and accounts in the group, so for all of them you can create a separate group. This group allows you to keep them all separate and give them access. Now if we talk about apps in this regard, let's say you have an app and you want to run ads on it. So first you need to connect your app. If you are going to run ads on someone else's app, then in that case you will have to request for the access for it from them. Similarly, if you need to connect with an Instagram account, you can do that. You can also manage commerce account, and I'm referring to Facebook shop that you own. And if you have created a commerce account, then we can manage that from backend. So we will teach you how to create a commerce account in this course. This is a very important thing today. You can add and connect WhatsApp accounts. You can also connect and manage multiple WhatsApp accounts at the same time. Now friends, we are coming to the data sources. Catalogs, pixels, offline events, data sets, customer conversions, events. This is the data you can manage. Like pixel is something that will be created when you run ads. Catalogs that you create if you run shopping ads. You can manage pixels, offline events, ad database, custom conversions and all these things from here. So when we learn creating ads, then we will use these settings. That's why I'm telling you about all these settings. Brand safety is basically domains. Domains mean if you're running ads on a website and you need to verify that domain with Facebook to avoid any future problems. This is also called business verification or domain verification, and it is necessary. Now we come to registrations, where you don't need to do anything as such. You can do integrations or connect any app or give someone access to leads. And I won't explain billing and payment for now because there will be a separate video on it. So we will teach you how to set up billing and payment methods practically. And friends, here's the main thing, which is request. If we've sent a request to someone or if we've received a request. So all these things will be shown here. If we have received any notifications here from Facebook, or we need to close any notification or need them on email or any other platform, all those things can be managed from here. Here is business info. Obviously, if you have created an account and you have a meta suite, so it has a lot of business information which you can now edit from here and can delete as well. So these are the business settings in this that are important for us. I have told you all about them. Now, I'm requesting you all to please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming practical videos from us. Thank you.